Imagine living up to 100 years, healthy and full of vitality. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a reality for many who follow the Mediterranean diet where olive oil is a staple. Studies show that this golden liquid is a key player in longevity and better health. Picture this, the Mediterranean region, home to some of the world's oldest living people. What's their secret? It's in the olive groves that stretch as far as the eye can see. For centuries, olive oil has been more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a symbol of life, health, and longevity. This precious liquid gold has been at the heart of their diet, playing a pivotal role in their sustained vitality. But what exactly gives olive oil its life-prolonging properties? What makes it a cornerstone of one of the healthiest diets in the world? What makes olive oil so special? Let's dive into the world of this ancient ingredient. We live in a world where our diet is often dominated by unhealthy fats and processed foods. These culprits are known to contribute to a host of health issues from heart disease to obesity. Imagine a battlefield. On one side, we have the warriors of wellness, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. On the other, the legions of lethargy, fast food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks. As the battle rages on, the wellness warriors are often outnumbered, outmaneuvered, and outgunned. The modern diet is a minefield of unhealthy fats and heavily processed foods. These foods are often high in trans fats, saturated fats, and sugars, all of which can lead to chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. They're everywhere, hidden in plain sight, lurking in your favorite snacks, ready to sabotage your health. It's not just the presence of these unhealthy components that's worrisome, it's the absence of essential nutrients. These foods are typically low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are vital for our bodies to function optimally. The result is a nutritional imbalance that can wreak havoc on our health and longevity. Now, let's talk about fats. Fats are not the enemy. In fact, our bodies need certain fats to function properly. However, it's the type of fat and the quantity that matters. Trans fats and excessive saturated fats are harmful, but monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are beneficial. This is where the dietary dilemma comes into play. How do we navigate this battlefield, dodging the unhealthy fats and processed foods while still enjoying our meals? How can we ensure we're getting the right types and amounts of fats our bodies need? The answer lies in one of the oldest foods known to mankind, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, a food that's as delicious as it is nutritious: olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and packed with antioxidants, olive oil is a secret weapon in the battle for a healthier diet and a longer life. So don't worry, the simple and delicious solution to this problem: olive oil. Olive oil is not just another cooking oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that promotes heart health, reduces inflammation, and provides a host of other benefits. Welcome to the Olive Oil Oasis, where we delve into the golden goodness of this liquid gold. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine for thousands of years, has earned its place not just in our kitchens, but also in our journey towards vitality and longevity. Let's start with the basics. There are different types of olive oil, each with its unique flavor profile and nutrient composition. Extra virgin olive oil, often referred to as EVU, is the highest quality and the most beneficial. It's cold-pressed, meaning it's made without heat or chemicals, preserving all the natural vitamins and minerals. EVO is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats. These fats are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, promoting cardiovascular health. This, in turn, can help reduce the risk of heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. But the benefits don't stop at heart health. Olive oil is also packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. Then there's oleocanthal, a unique compound found only in olive oil. It's nature's anti-inflammatory agent, working similar to ibuprofen. It helps reduce inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. And let's not forget about the role of olive oil in promoting gut health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help nourish your gut's microbiome, the community of healthy bacteria that plays a critical role in your overall health. So, you see, olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a gateway to a healthier life, a key to unlock vitality and longevity. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some compelling research findings. Science backs up the health benefits of olive oil. Numerous studies and testimonials showcase the transformative effects of incorporating olive oil into one's diet. Let's dive into some of the most compelling evidence. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that individuals who consumed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil had a 30% lower risk of cardiac events. It's not magic, it's science. Olive oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats which can help reduce levels of bad cholesterol. But the benefits don't stop at heart health. Olive oil is also a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that compounds in extra virgin olive oil work similarly to ibuprofen, reducing inflammation and potentially offering pain relief. This could have profound implications for those dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions. Then there's the role olive oil plays in brain health. A study published in the Annals of Clinical and Translational Neurology found that a diet rich in olive oil could potentially slow down the cognitive decline associated with aging. The antioxidants in olive oil, specifically oleocanthal, have been shown to help break down the brain plaques associated with Alzheimer's. And if you're looking for a boost in your physical vitality, olive oil might just be your secret weapon. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that olive oil could enhance athletic performance and recovery by reducing oxidative stress during physical activity. But remember, not all olive oils are created equal. The most health benefits come from extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and contains the most beneficial compounds. These are just a few of the countless studies that illuminate the transformative effects of adding olive oil to your diet. As the evidence continues to pile up, it's clear that this golden liquid is more than just a tasty addition to your meals. As you can see, olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient, it's a key to a healthier, longer life. It's clear that olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a life-enhancing elixir that promotes vitality and longevity. We've journeyed through the olive groves, exploring the different types of olive oil and their inherent nutritional benefits. From extra virgin to pure, each variant of olive oil brings with it a unique profile of vitamins, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats. And it's these elements that make olive oil such a remarkable addition to our diets. We've looked at how olive oil can help reduce inflammation, a key player in many chronic diseases. The oleic acid and antioxidants found in olive oil work together to combat inflammation, helping us to maintain a healthier, more vibrant body. We've also delved into the heart health benefits of olive oil. The monounsaturated fats found in this golden liquid can help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke, contributing to a longer, healthier life. And let's not forget the importance of quality when it comes to olive oil. The health benefits we've discussed are most potent in high-quality olive oils. So, when choosing your olive oil, look for those that are cold-pressed and unrefined, as these retain the most nutrients. But olive oil isn't just for dressing salads or cooking. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in baking, grilling, and even for making delicious desserts. It's a testament to the versatility of this ancient foodstuff that it can be used in such a variety of ways, all while contributing to our health and longevity. In essence, olive oil is a gift from nature, a liquid gold that offers numerous health benefits. It's the secret ingredient of the Mediterranean diet, a diet renowned for its association with longevity and reduced risk of chronic diseases. So, as we conclude our exploration of olive oil, remember this: the key to longevity might just be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. It's a simple yet powerful ingredient that has stood the test of time, promoting vitality and longevity for centuries. So why not make olive oil a part of your daily diet? We'd love to hear how you incorporate olive oil into your diet. By sharing your favorite recipes and cooking tips, you're not only enriching your culinary experience, but also potentially helping others discover new and healthier ways to enjoy their meals. Perhaps you have a secret marinade that makes grilled veggies sing, or a salad dressing that could turn a bowl of greens into a feast. And while you're at it, why not explore our other videos? We've got plenty of content aimed at promoting a healthier lifestyle, from nutritious recipes to practical cooking tips, all designed to help you make the most of your kitchen adventures. So don't be shy, share your thoughts, and let's keep the conversation going. Because when it comes to health, every little bit of knowledge counts. Remember, your health is your wealth, so make olive oil a part of your journey to better health and longer life.